Hey everyone, I just wanted to give an update on my doll. I just made a video yesterday about my experience with the unboxing of my first Blythe doll. And this is my doll. She is actually not an authentic Blythe. I got her from AliExpress, but she looks pretty good. I mean, I don't really care too much about getting a real authentic Blythe doll. I just really like the style of the doll more so than, you know, it being authentic. And I think it's pretty good quality. Well, it's pretty good quality. Let me back it up a little bit. So if you didn't watch my other video from yesterday, I just unboxed this doll, and at the torso she kept falling apart. So literally, she just snaps right in half. Like, her legs are separate from her torso and head and everything. And, you know, I didn't know if I was supposed to snap it in place or something. And my doll came in two different pieces. It did not come in one piece. So I figured, oh, maybe they all come like this. But it just wasn't holding still. No matter what I did, it just did not stay in place and stay together as one piece. So I figured, okay, this is a problem. Maybe I can contact AliExpress and they can either give me a new doll or just give me a refund. So I opted to get a refund, and I did a dispute, and they really got back to me like as soon as possible, like the next day. Not even, I would say maybe 12 hours, not even 12 hours later, 8 hours later or something, saying that I was approved for the refund and I can keep the doll. So I was gonna just, you know, when I get the money refunded back to my card, I was gonna order another doll to replace her. But then I'm thinking, well, maybe I can just use some like epoxy glue or something to set her in place instead of throwing it away. Another thing I was thinking was I can just get another body, because they do sell the bodies by themselves, and just kind of like unscrew the head and take it apart and then just put a new body on. I don't really know about how to do all that. Like, I watched a few videos, but I'm not that comfortable, I guess, right now at least, doing all of that. So I figured, you know what, maybe first stop would be to just get some like E6000 glue and glue it together. Funny thing is though, I ordered all my stuff on the same day. So I ordered the dolls, I ordered 3 dolls, I ordered 3 outfits, of course, to go with the dolls, and they're not all in one piece, so maybe the outfit is separate from the shoes and whatever. But this outfit, everything came included, so I thought it was so cute. Like, it comes with this hat, and I love the back of it, the way, especially with the braid that I did, because it really just showcases her hair really nicely. But it comes with this cute hat. It comes with this little sweater. Like, it's supposed to be like wool or something, but it's still a pretty decent material. Like, this is not, you know, I think this was like $10, maybe $12 for this full outfit. And it's not bad quality. I mean, it's not the best quality, but I would say it's pretty good for like adult clothing, you know, and really detailed. I mean, it comes with this little scarf thingy with the actual hook and latch to keep it closed. And of course, I didn't show you on the bottom of the hat, it has the little balls, which is cute. She comes with some like gloves on a string, like a yarn piece that goes around her neck. And I was wondering if she could actually wear them. It does have little holes, but her hands are not going to fit in there, so I think it's just decoration. And then on the bottom of her sweater, these embroidered snowflakes, which is really cute. On the back of her sweater, it has a little what is that? A bunny rabbit, like a bunny rabbit tail, I guess. So I guess she's supposed to be a little rabbit, but she's so cute, you know. And then she has these leggings that go all the way down, covering the feet. So it's not, they don't stop at the ankle, they go all the way down to the feet, and they come all the way up to about here. I can feel it right here. So funny thing is, these pants are holding her legs onto her body, because normally I would not be able to pick her up, move her around. It would just fall apart. It would just separate every time I move her. But since these leggings come up over her like torso onto her stomach area, it's kind of holding it in place. So I was like, cool, maybe I'll have her wear this. I do still want to glue her so I don't have to worry about it, but you know, I just thought that was kind of funny. And then it comes with these little booty things, these little boots with a cute little footprint on the bottom. But I just thought it was so like detailed, you know, this doll outfit has so much detail to it, so much in this outfit. Like, it was worth it to buy this outfit because it comes with everything, you know. The other outfit I have coming is, well, I have one other outfit that's kind of everything together. I think it's more of a pink skirt and something, I can't remember. And then another outfit is a couple pieces I have to put together. So they were all inexpensive, but you know, a lot of times when you order from different pieces to put together, you have to order from different, I don't know what that is. You have to order from different sellers, which is kind of annoying because, you know, I would prefer everything just coming in one box and not having to worry about like, oh, is this box gonna get missing? But honestly, everything's come so far. I mean, the first package were the first pair of shoes. I can just go grab it really quickly to show you. But they were the cutest shoes ever, like, and they're real leather. So, okay, this is the first package that I got, these shoes. And look at how cute they are. They came in different colors, brown, black, tan, pink. Obviously this one is pink. And this is actual genuine leather. So, like, it smells like leather, it feels like leather, it's actually sewn leather. And I thought that was so, like, interesting. I mean, I think these were $4 or something. That's not bad for, like, little doll shoes. And they're actually, like, right and left. You can see how they're cut. So they actually go, like, this one goes on the left foot, this one goes on the right, or whatever. So I just thought that was really, like, special the way they did that. So that was the first package that I got. And you see how tiny these are. So that package was so small. It easily could have gotten lost. I'm so glad it got here in one piece. The second package I got was the doll itself. And, you know, that was a pretty big package. So I'm glad I got here in one piece. The doll didn't, but at least the package got here in one piece. And then the last package I recently got, is the outfit she's wearing. So I'm still waiting on 2 more dolls. Those are from the same seller, so those should be coming together. And then 1 pair of shoes and 2 outfits, and those are all separate. I think the outfit had the shoes with it, so I'm waiting for the outfit with the shoes for the other outfit, and then another. So like 4 more packages. It's kind of ridiculous. I had like 7 packages coming from one order. But anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update. I think she's so cute though. Like, the outfit really works, like, really looks good on her. And I was gonna wait until I got all of the dolls, line them all up, and then see kind of which doll I wanted to wear which outfit. But I actually like this one on her. Like, the hat works with her hair. The other doll, I knew, the black doll that I'm ordering, she has like big curly afro, so obviously she wouldn't be able to wear this hat. And then the other doll, she had like a bob haircut, maybe like here. I think she had bangs and a bob, so she could have possibly worn this too. But we'll see. I really like this on her though. Another thing I was thinking about was, I heard someone saying on a review that they didn't like the shiny face. They preferred the matte face. And honestly, I do too. But they actually sprayed their doll. They sprayed the face with like a matte spray. And I know a lot of people just sand it and stuff. I don't really want to get that adventurous with the dolls, to be honest. Like, I mean, I just don't want to do all of that. So I might do that. I might just spray it with a matte spray, because they showed a picture before and after and it came out really good. So I figured, you know, that might be an idea. Either that or get like a light sandpaper and just sand or buff off the outer layer. Not so much where you're taking off the makeup, but just like lightly sand the outer layer to get the initial shine off. And I would leave the shine on her lips because I prefer shiny lips. But that's another option, just to kind of do that. But to be honest, she doesn't look terrible. I mean, this is literally how people nowadays wear their makeup. Everything is like glow and highlight everywhere. So she's just got her natural glow. Oh, and I realized last video I did not show you guys her eye mechanism. So she has her string here, and it's actually a lot quieter than I thought. Like all the videos I saw, they were so loud. They were like click, 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 click. And hers is very quiet. So let me show you. These are blue eyes. And then like pinkish, pinky color. Yellow. And looks like a, I don't know what that is, orangey pink. And then back to blue. I think I like her with the blue. And not that one. I like that one too. I think I like the blue the best though. So I'll probably keep her with the blue. But yeah, her eye mechanism works well. It's really quiet, which, you know, that's cool, I guess. But anyway, this video is getting really long. Just wanted to show you how she looks. Give her one more little runway modeling opportunity. Do 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 do. Work it, girl. All right, thanks guys. Hopefully you like this video. I will give you more updates about the next dolls that come in when I get them in the mail.